Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm making baked chicken for dinner, and I'm still stuck on what my sides should be, but I put this in this morning and it probably got another maybe 20 minutes to go. Look how juicy this chicken is. Can you see it without me getting burned? I hope you guys can see that. Okay, look at that. Okay. So that's on the menu for today is baked chicken. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah, so here's my chicken here. Maybe you can see this a little better. It's almost done. So I need to get ready for whatever I'm going to cook with my sides. But the key to your barbecue chicken, the key to your baked chicken to make it look like it have like a barbecue feel to it is you add the smoked paprika. That's what I add when I season my meat, and I want it to look like it come off the grill. This is the key to it, okay? Smoked paprika. Okay, you guys? So I'm just here to show you my baked chicken. So juicy. And I also put olive oil on it to make that chicken so juicy in the inside. So I'm gonna let this finish cooking. Probably got 20 more minutes, and